Welcome to Teachers Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we are looking at this elective mathematics, that is further mathematics question. The question read, given that P is given as minus 4 comma minus 5, that's the coordinate of P, and the coordinate of Q is 2 comma minus 2 comma 3, we are asked to express vector PQ in the form K comma theta, where K is the magnitude and theta is the bearing. It means we are asked to express this vector PQ in polar form. This will be the magnitude, which is K, then theta will be the direction. Let's look at how we can solve this. First thing to do, let's write down the solution and analyze the question. Vector PQ relative to the origin is the same thing as vector OP minus OP. So vector PQ now, relative to the origin, is nothing but vector OP minus vector OQ minus OP. Our OP here is, this is X coordinate, which is associated with I, and this is Y coordinate, which is associated with J. So OP will now be 2I plus 3J will now be minus OP, which is minus 4I minus 5J. As I said, this is the X coordinate, Y coordinate, and this is IJ. Very important. So let's simplify this. This will now be equals to 2I plus 3J. Let's distribute this minus. Minus times minus is plus 4I minus plus minus times minus is plus 5J. Okay? Let's add I to I, J to J. 2I plus 4I, that will be 6I, plus 3J plus 5J, that will be plus 8J. That will be 8J. This will not be our vector PQ, which is given as 6I plus 8J. The next thing to do now is to find the magnitude of this vector PQ. The magnitude of PQ now, vector PQ, will be equals to the square root of, that will be 6 squared plus 8 squared. The magnitude of vector PQ now will be equals to, this is the sign for magnitude, will be equals to 6 squared is 36 plus 8 squared is 64. The magnitude of PQ now, that's vector PQ, will be root 100. And square root of 100 is 10. That will be 10 units. So it means K is 10 units. So we're through with the magnitude. How do we now find the bearing, theta? Very important. Recall that to find the direction now, which is theta now, the direction is given as tan theta, which is equals to yj divided by xi. That's some textbook use rise divided by the run. Rise now is the y axis, the run is the x axis. We can use this formula. Very important. Okay, let me remove the question so that we can solve for theta. So this will be tan theta now will now be equals to, tan theta now will be equals to y value now is nothing but 8. That will be 8 divided by the x value here is 6. That will be 6. We are using this now. This is x and this is y. So theta now will be the tan inverse of 8 divided by 6. Theta will be, what will be the tan inverse? Let's press shift, then we tan inverse of 8 divided by 6. We can divide this, that's 8 divided by 6. We have, that will be the tan inverse of 1.333. So, let's move here. Our theta now will be the tan inverse, shift, that's tan inverse of 1.3333 what do we have? That will be 53.1294 degree. Since bearing has to be what? Measure from the north pole. It must measure from the north in clockwise direction. So this theta, of course, falls in the first quadrant. 53 falls in the first quadrant. And the angle in the formula in the first quadrant is nothing but 90 degree minus theta. So to find the bearing now, it will be the bearing now. The bearing of this now will be the bearing now, which is theta now. The bearing now will be equals to 90 degree minus this 53.1294 degree. The reason why we are removing this is now the angle now. Okay, this is now the angle. To find the direction now, we start from the north. Let me draw the first quadrant. We have something like this, and 53 will be something like this. This is now 53, okay? And the whole of this angle here is 90. So to find this angle here, to find the bearing now, it will be 90 degree, the whole of this angle minus 53. Very important, okay? So 90 degree minus 53.1294, that will be 36.870 degree. So this will be the direction. This will be the direction. We're looking at the angle now from the north. This angle here now is what we're looking for, okay? Which is now 90 degree minus this, this is now 50, this is now 36. So this will be the direction from the north pole. This will be the direction now, okay? And as I said, that theta now, theta is that 56, okay? Which is 53 rather 0.124. So to find the bearing now, which is this angle now, it will be 90 degree minus, this is now the 56, this is 56. 53 rather, this is 53.129. So to find this angle, it will be 90 degree minus 53.1294. So this will be the direction. And finally, we can write this. We are asked to find k comma theta. Okay. Finally, k comma theta now will be our k, which is the magnitude now, is 10 units. This will be 10 unit, comma, the theta, which is now the bearing, is 36. Let's write it in 3-digit bearing. That will be 036.87 degree. So this will be the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to Teachers Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.